another video. My boy Mike.
Yeah, today we be riding.
You know what it is. We be riding. Goggles. It's not that bad. Fucking soap though. It looks clean.
I was gonna lick my fucking stuff. It's good, it's good. Lost my chain.
His chain, he lost his master link somehow on the recall, eh? They just changed it too. So now me and Joe we're gonna go get his truck and we'll come get his bike, I guess, because fuck it. I think I got a master link at home, but I'm not too sure where it is. Well, we'll be riding. We'll go slow here just in case you can see it, but
keeps our hopes up. We just keep on riding.
the roads.
We be riding.
We be riding.
Here comes my ride.
Right there. Yeah.
That's him, guys. Poor big Mike.
Gotta get the big fella.
There he is.
Hey, oh
These guys here are here to pick me up.
You guys, oh, you and your bike need a ride there, man?
Je suis comme 4 personnes qui arrêtent de me demander, je suis correct, j'ai besoin d'aide. De 2 sur des catégories tout.
At least they were nice enough, hey?
Yeah.
You just told us to change.
I was like, I think somebody's on the way.
Let's load her up.
X with his nice truck, I think he passed by.
Yeah?
YP, come. That's like, je suis quelqu'un qui s'en vient d'où?
Get that chopper. Get that chopper.
Oh, shoot.
Chop.
Well, yeah, man. Don't get me wrong.
Oh, you see it, huh?
Help has arrived. Thanks, Gillette. I mean, it brought me a drink.
Oh.
Make me feel better about myself.
About losing the chain. No one likes to lose their chain.
I'm pissed. Right now, Honda, fucking, they're gonna give me a nice discount there. So I'll be like, what if I would have killed myself?
With them. I feel like they're gonna be nice about it, but
Oh, I'm gonna
Well, guys, I thought I recorded him loading the bike, but
two four-wheelers stopped by, and then
a lot of nice people here.
one truck almost fucking hit me. Fuck that, bro.
Bike is retrieved.
I actually could have gotten like pretty
And,
fucking, like, that could have been a lot worse.
Going home. Unload. Fucking.
Let's just go with
Fuck
that.
yeah.
have you ever researched how you keep bees and stuff?
Have you?
No. But have you? That's what
Yes.
I'm asking.
Yes.
No, you haven't. That's why you asked, have you? No, Mike, so if there's
I know you
wasp
haven't.
nest, if there's a wasp nest,
That's not bees.
the bees that are pollinating
That's not bees.
are okay, if there's a bee's nest, Carlos, and the bees are pollinating,
Wasps don't create
they'll be
honey.
attracted to that. Where do you think they go? They don't just fucking go anywhere.
They don't go to the honey, they create the honey, you donkey.
They go to the hive and create the honey,
Yeah.
but they're attracted to that.
No, they're attracted to where they can create honey. They're
So-
attracted to pollen. They're attracted to fields of pollen so they can create the honey.
And they still want to
They
go.
don't just fucking, like I said, if you just put a random jar of fucking ass honey in, ask him. Are bees attracted to honey?
They're not attracted to vinegar.
Anyways, guys,
You're attracted to fucking vinegar.
watch some more videos.
Okay, they're big guys. I lost
Subscribe.
his chain. You can't
See you later.